Good afternoon everyone and welcome to the Voices Foundation Virtual Singing Assemblies. My name is Stuart and you may have noticed that today has a little bit of a pirate theme to our singing assembly. Voices Foundation are here every weekday at 1 p.m. with different songs and warm-ups to get singing going wherever you might be. So whether it's just you or your whole family, I encourage you to join in, have some fun and learn some songs and activities that you can take around with you for the rest of the day. As I said, today has a little bit of a pirate theme, so can you give me a good "Arr"? And we'll get going on our adventure across the 7 seas. Stand up, find a space wherever you are. And as soon as you think you know this song, why don't you join in? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Listen again or try and join in this time. Have a go. What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Yes, this is What Shall We Do With a Drunken Sailor, one of the best known sea shanties that you may have heard before. With this song, I wanted us to look at how we can feel the pulse of the music. So the pulse is the main beat in the background, like a heartbeat. So I just want you to walk on the spot with the pulse. Pulse, 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 pulse. Good. And we're going to try singing the song, this time walking with the pulse in our feet. Ready, off we go. What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Good. So you feel that heartbeat pulse as it goes. We can also find the rhythm. Now the rhythm is the pattern of the words as we sing them. So the rhythm, if I put it in my hands, would go like this. What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Can you hear how each sound that I make has its own clap? Should we try that together? So we're going to clap the rhythm as we sing. Ready, off we go. What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Good. So we found the rhythm in our hands and we found the pulse in our feet. I wonder if we might be able to put those two together. Let's get the pulse going in our feet first. Pulse, 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 pulse. Good. Keep that going. And then we're going to have our hands ready and our voices to sing the song. Ready, off we go. What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Good. Now, you could swap those around. I wonder what it would be like if we put the pulse in our hands. Let's try that. Make sure you're not clapping the rhythm. We're going to clap the pulse. Ready, off we go. What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Good. I bet you can guess what's going to happen next. The rhythm is going to go in our feet, ready to get our hearts going. Ready, off we go. What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Good. Now, if you really practice, you might be able to get those two together. I have to confess, I find this really, really hard. We're going to try the pulse in our hands and the rhythm in our feet, just for a bit of fun. If it goes wrong, who cares? But you could practice this maybe yourselves. Let's set up that pulse first. Nice, just keeping the beat. And then we're going to join the feet in with our voices. Ready, off we go. What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Oh gosh, that is really, really hard. Maybe you are better at that than me, but if you got it wrong, that's okay. You could practice that maybe, or just doing them each separately. But it's good to know the difference between our pulse and our rhythm. Good. Well, now your brains are completely woken up, we can get our voices going. Now, if we're a pirate, we're probably going to be on our pirate ship, and we're probably going to be going across the sea. So I think we should start with some nice sea sounds. Can you give me a whoosh? You'll go. How about back the other way? Ready? Good. Might also be some nice wind. Can you do 4 big gusts of wind for me? And we're going to have our hands here. Go. You'll go. Can you feel that going? Down here where your fingers are, feel those muscles going. So we're not going to go from up here, but it's going to come right from down here. Let's try that again. Ready? And. And sometimes the wind makes those nice high sounds, so we're going to go woo! Nice high wind sounds. Ready? And woo! Good. Now pirates like to have a good laugh, and they go yo ho 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 ho. Can you try that for me? Yo ho 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 ho. And let's go on a bit of a journey with it. Yo ho 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 ho. You're going. Yo ho 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 ho. Good. Sailing on the 7 seas. Just say that for me. Sailing on the 7 seas. Get all of those S's going for me. One more time. Sailing on the 7 seas. We're going to say it 5 times. Ready? And. Sailing on the 7 seas, 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 sailing on the 7 seas. Good. This time I wonder if we could start quietly, piano, like it's a bit of a secret. And then we're going to get louder and louder and louder until we're at our loudest, at forte, nice strong sound at the end. Let's start with our nice quiet piano. And sailing on the 7 seas, 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 sailing on the 7 seas. Can we do it back the other way? Start really loudly and we're going to get quieter as we go. And sailing on the 7 seas, 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 sailing on the 7 seas. Good. Give me a nice arr. Good. It's very important we get this with a nice arm movement. Arr. Good. I think we're just about ready for our pirate song. Now, our song today is called Ayo, Captain Jack. You might think of Captain Jack Sparrow from Pirates of the Caribbean. And it's a campfire song. That means I sing something and you reply it back. There are some actions to do, and it's a great, great fun song just to sing with everybody around. So whatever I do, you can do it back for me. Ayo, Captain Jack. Ayo, Captain Jack. Meet me down by the railroad track. Meet me down by the railroad track. With some spiders in your hand. With some spiders in your hand. I want to be your Spider-Man. I want to be your Spider-Man. Go left, go left. Go left, go left. Go left, right, left. Go left, right, left. Go left, go right, go pick up your step. Go left, go right, go left. Go left, go right, go pick up your step. Go left, go right, go left. Hey-oh, Captain Jack. Hey-oh, Captain Jack. Meet me down by the railroad track. Meet me down by the railroad track. With some soup in your hand. With some soup in your hand. I want to be your Superman. I want to be your Superman. Go left, go left. Go left, go left. Go left, right, left. Go left, right, left. Go left, go right, go pick up your step. Go left, go right, go left. Go left, go right, go pick up your step. Go left, go right, go left. Hey-oh, Captain Jack. Hey-oh, Captain Jack. Meet me down by the railroad track. Meet me down by the railroad track. With a fish in your hand. With a fish in your hand. I want to be your fisherman. I want to be your fisherman. Go left, go left. Go left, go left. Go left, right, left. Go left, right, left. Go left, go right, go pick up your step. Go left, go right, go left. Go left, go right, go pick up your step. Go left, go right, go left. Hey-oh, Captain Jack. Hey-oh, Captain Jack. Meet me down by the railroad track. Meet me down by the railroad track. With some fire in your hand. With some fire in your hand. I want to be your fireman. I want to be your fireman. Go left, go left. Go left, go left. Go left, right, left. Go left, right, left. Go left, go right, go pick up your step. Go left, go right, go left. Go left, go right, go pick up your step. Go left, go right, go left. Last one. Hey-oh, Captain Jack. Hey-oh, Captain Jack. Meet me down by the railroad track. Meet me down by the railroad track. With a pole in your hand. With a pole in your hand. I want to be your policeman. I want to be your policeman. Go left, go left. Go left, go left. Go left, right, left. Go left, right, left. Listen. Go left, go right, go pick up your step. Go turn around, go touch the ground. Go left, go right, go left. Go left, go right, go pick up your step. Go turn around, go touch the ground. Go left, go right, go left. Oh, did you see my hat falling off halfway through that? Great work, fantastic singing. What a fun piratey day that we've had today. It's been so lovely to sing with you, and thank you for joining in. Tomorrow, Camille will be here with some other songs and fun warm-ups, so I do hope you'll join her and have a great time. In the meantime, keep singing, keep practicing the songs, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.